Welcome to our Artebula Little Makers. Today we're going to make a cheetah mask. For this craft you need a paper plate, our gold or yellow paint, a paintbrush. You need black paper. You need scissors and a black marker and white glue. That's it, let's get started. First we're gonna cut out the mouth. First we're gonna draw and cut out the eyes. I'm gonna cut out the mouth. Now, I'm gonna paint the mask gold. You can use yellow if you want. I took the leftover mouthpiece to cut the ears. Now I'm gonna paint the ears. The first ear is gonna get paint. Now you gotta wait till it dries. Cut in the black spots for the cheetah. You're gonna want the ears and the spots. I'm gonna put the nose on now. I'm gonna use a hole punch. I'll have scissors and do a parent to do it. Now we're gonna attach strings. You can get our mom and our dad to help.
If you like this tutorial and you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up. And also in the comments, please tell us what kind of tutorials you'd like to see. We'd be happy to try and make them for you. And if you're getting piles of artwork because of all this awesomeness, then you've got an app for that. It's called Artebula, and you can find it for free on the App Store and Google Play Store.